How to add VPN in iPhone without VPN app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on VPN and device management. Further, tap on VPN and then tap on the Add VPN configuration option you see there. Now, tap on the type option and then select the type of VPN. It is recommended and most secure to choose IKE-v2. Further, go ahead and enter the VPN details, that is the description, the server, the remote ID, the username and password, and finally tap on Done. And with this, the VPN will be added. You can then simply go ahead and enable VPN and you will be connected to a VPN service successfully. So this is how you can add VPN in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.